Welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove indicators in TradingView step by step. If you're completely new to TradingView, don't worry. I'll keep everything simple and easy to follow. Sometimes your chart can become cluttered with too many indicators like moving averages, RSI, or MACD. Removing unnecessary indicators helps keep your chart clean and easy to analyze. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Chart section to open your full chart view. Now, look at the top left area of your chart. You'll see the names of all the indicators currently applied to your chart. For example, you might see something like moving average, RSI, or any custom indicator you added. To remove a single indicator, simply move your mouse over the indicator's name. You'll see a small X icon appear next to it. Click on that X and the indicator will instantly be removed from your chart. That's the fastest way. There's another method as well. Right-click anywhere on the chart. From the menu that appears, click on Object Tree. The Object Tree shows a full list of all indicators and drawing tools currently applied to your chart. From here, you can click the eye icon to temporarily hide an indicator, click the Delete icon to permanently remove it. This method is especially helpful if you have multiple indicators and drawings on your chart. If you want to remove all indicators at once, open the Indicators menu at the top, then look for an option like Remove All Indicators, or manually delete them from the object tree. After cleaning up your chart, don't forget to click on Layout at the top and choose Save so your clean setup stays saved. And that's it. That's how you remove indicators in TradingView step by step. Keeping your chart simple can improve clarity and help you focus on price action. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly TradingView guides. I'll see you in the next video.